Draw a turtle. Make an inverted curve. You have to be careful while drawing the curve because it has to be symmetrical. Then you join the ends with a sagging line. We draw the legs of the turtle now, which are simply U in shape. So these are the 4 legs. Next, the face. For the face, go up a little, come down to meet the body of the tortoise at the bottom. The eyes, the mouth, a small tail at the back, then we draw the scales on the body of the tortoise, a few horizontal curves and vertical curves. We finish it by removing the extras. Now this is the back leg, so this leg won't be visible from here. The face will be visible, and from here we erase this part. So we have the front leg. That's it.